a small competition. Fastest hand wins. And if I win, I get a tablet. Let's hope I get a tablet, guys. Let's do some turns on this. Ooh, I broke the world record. Look at this time. I'm done with the solve. Okay, thank you. You can leave. You broke the world record. Bye, ma'am. If you like this video, hit that like button, share it with your friends and family, comment on this video, and last but not least, make sure to smash that subscribe button and make the bell ringing so you can get all my notifications.